Today I will be guiding you through how to use Microsoft Copilot. Before trying it out, let me tell you what is Copilot. Basically, it's an AI tool just like ChatGPT and Gemini, and with the help of it, you will get answers of your question, whether your questions are about your study or about anything. So for using it, you just have to access to the Microsoft Edge. Once you will get access of your Microsoft Edge, sign in your account in this browser. Because after signing in, you will be able to use this Copilot. Now in order to use, take a look on the right top, you can see this icon. It's the Copilot mode. And the shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus dot. If you type this from your keyboard, then it will be enabled. But you can use it with the help of your mouse. Click on it. Now here you can see Copilot is open. Before using it, here you can see quick response. If I click on it, this option is think deeper. If I select this, then it will take some time to think about your question and the answer will be more efficient and accurate. But for now, I will let it on quick response. This option is plus. With the help of this icon, you can upload your data in the Microsoft Copilot and you can also write new chat. This option helps you to directly chat with the Copilot. You don't have to write with your keyboard. Now in order to use it, click here and write your message or your question which you want to ask to Copilot. So let me write a random question. So I ask, explain about nuclear attack. Now click on the option submit message. And you can see within 2 to 3 seconds, it starts replying. And here is all the data provided by the Copilot. Now ask whatever you want, and if you want to get deeper knowledge, then click on it and tap on this option, think deeper. Then it will take up to 30 seconds, but the answer will be more accurate. And that's it.